Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are making some slime, cloud slime. So yeah, let's get started. Before we get started guys, be sure to subscribe, like, and share. So yeah, I'm just gonna move my camera. So yeah, I'm just gonna... there we go. Which you will need is a bowl. A glue. Okay, a glue. I just using this because my glue is very big. So yeah, glue, power gel or any kind of activator, foaming hand soap if you want, and of course your fake snow or this dayaper. So I already processed making the dayaper. So yeah. You need to like rip the diaper open. Okay, sorry for the noise. Mommy! Hang on guys. Sorry guys for that noise. You will need the cloud slime. This is the ingredients, the diaper, and then cut the inside. I mean, like something in, like you just need to cut the middle, and then get it, and then add in water, just like fake snow, but do not add in a lot of water. I took out one of these because it's like paper, so I don't want it on my slime. That's why I take it out. It's a long process, but you'll get satisfied if there's more. What the heck? So yeah, so let's get started. Let's get this. And the last one is a spoon or something to use with. Or a spatula, yeah. I have a spatula guys, but it's way too big. So yeah. Okay, so let's put in the glue. Just gonna open the glue. This is almost guys. I just like put it here. I think this glue isn't enough. Yeah, the glue isn't enough, guys. Okay, the glue is empty. I'm gonna get my big glue, so I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I got my big glue. Okay, so you can barely see it. My big glue. It's pretty big. You just see the bottom there. So I'm just gonna add it to my slime. So yeah. Let's put it. It has a safety lid, so it's gonna... Wait! After this vlog, mommy, I will take shower. Okay, you got this. This is my big glue. Hopefully you can see it because I'm not facing it to me. There we go. I'm adding just a little. Maybe enough on this one. Oh yeah. Clearly we're gonna make it overactivated slime because it's cloud slime. The fake snow is made of water. I'll make your slime sticky. So yeah. So let's get started. I mean, we're already getting started. Then add in the foaming hand soap. Okay, it's not there. 1, 2, 3. Maybe that's enough. It's water, what the heck? I added this much. And we're just gonna mix it. Hopefully it's not too bubbly. And then add in the slime activator. Just gonna add in a bunch. Okay, sorry guys, I didn't know. Oh my gosh, this is way too foamy. I'm gonna add in a little bit more glue, just a little, so that it could not be so foamy. Just added 3 pumps, and it's like so foamy. I'll be color blue, or I don't know. Just gonna add in. That's enough. Okay, there we go. So yeah. Then just mix it. Okay, it's enough to make the slime. Not that foamy. I'm gonna add in a lot more activator. Okay, there we go. Then just mix it. Okay. Hopefully this is enough to make it overactivated. Oh my gosh. I'll be right back guys when it's done. So yeah. So guys, done overactivating the slime. But it's still stretchy, but it's fine. And then we're just gonna add in the diaper, or yeah. Put it in, just add in little and little, because it might get sticky. Okay, it's changing the texture. Wow, it is a good texture though. I don't know, just little by little. It's a little bit stretchy now. Adding a little to the middle. So I'm gonna get back guys when I'm done with my slime. So yeah. Guys, it's finally done. Turn on the lights. So hang on. perfect cloud slime. Look at this, guys. Look at that. I'm gonna add in a little bit from soap. So yeah. Just added a little from soap. So yeah. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Be sure to subscribe, like, and share. Bye!